No, the
To
bottom.
check out.
Yep.
Pressure clean. Thank you, sir. Are we supposed to be switching both in this one? Sweet or whatever?
No.
Just this one?
Just this one. Are you serious? Look at that.
Casey,
What?
what have you been doing? I'm a little bit upset.
Sam is just mad chilling out there.
Huh?
Sam's mad chilling out there.
Should be, man. We're doing pretty good for what? Today, 44 units in a day. That's great. From that corner, dude.
Yeah, well,
You're skinny.
I'm a little guy. It's that way more. There we go.
I miss not working with you today.
Look out for the chair.
You see this shower rack?
That's it right here. Dry my hand. It's all good. It'll dry.
Wipe it on your pants.
Yeah, no, but I didn't want to drop.
Weenie.
Oh, we changed it on.
Casey,
No, we didn't.